Welcome to this 7th video about trigonometric functions of special angles. Let's get started. We will explore the power of exact values. The special acute angles 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees have trigonometric function values that can be computed exactly, unlike approximations. We begin with the isosceles right triangle, which is the origin of 45 degrees. The equal legs create identical sine and cosine values due to symmetry. Using this triangle, we find the primary functions of 45 degrees. Sine of 45 degrees equals square root of 2 over 2, cosine of 45 degrees equals square root of 2 over 2, and tangent of 45 degrees equals 1. Inverting these primary functions gives us the reciprocals of 45 degrees, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Next, we examine the equilateral split, which is the origin of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Splitting an equilateral triangle creates two right triangles. For the shallow angle, 30 degrees, we find sine of 30 degrees equals 1/2, cosine of 30 degrees equals square root of 3 over 2, and tangent of 30 degrees equals square root of 3 over 3. For the steep angle, 60 degrees, the values are sine of 60 degrees equals square root of 3 over 2, cosine of 60 degrees equals 1/2, and tangent of 60 degrees equals square root of 3. The relationship between 30 degrees and 60 degrees is known as the mirror effect. They are complementary angles, meaning the sine of one is the cosine of the other. Here are the reciprocal functions for 30 degrees and 60 degrees, cosecant, secant, and cotangent values. A note on mathematical etiquette: ensure that the denominator is rationalized. This means converting fractions with an irrational denominator to an equivalent standard form. This table summarizes the complete exact values for 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees for all 6 trigonometric functions. A quick recall strategy is to count up for sine and count down for cosine using the square root of 1, 2, and 3, and then dividing all by 2. Here is a quick summary of what we have covered today. Have a pause and take a shot. Don't forget to watch the other explainers in our subject playlist. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.